Hey everyone! Do you have a small room in your home where probably it's non-functional or better yet, it's still finding its purpose? Don't worry, because for today, we will find its purpose together. Narrow spaces can be quite challenging because for some of you, it has no purpose already or no use at all. But you'll be quite surprised on how you can transform these small rooms into functional ones. So today's video, together with me, Phoebe, let's make the most out of your small rooms. Tip number one. This is probably going to be my most favorite tip for today, transforming your small room into home office. Because some of us are working remotely from home, so let's take advantage of it. For your office table, place your laptop here, papers, and such. Now, with the office chair, make sure to pick out the smaller one so it doesn't look too bulky. You can even use a simple non-swivel chair instead. We have a lot of them at our store, or you can check out www.mandauefoam.ph. You can then add other things you need, such as shelves, lamps, and decoration. If you actually want a design na swak talaga sa dimensions ng small room mo, don't worry because we will help you out. You can check out Mandaue Foam Customized Solutions. With this service, you will always get the best results for your home. Fantastic! Now we move on to tip number 2, transforming your small room into a laundry room. Kadalasan kasi we place our washing machines outside or in our bathrooms. Pero sayang naman yung space kung nakikipagsiksikan lang yung washing machine mo sa mga functional rooms na ito. Now, most likely, you can fit at least one washing machine inside. Don't forget to leave a space for laundry baskets too. Don't forget to allot storage for your laundry essentials. Place wall shelving for display of your laundry detergent, fabric conditioners, and etc. Then place rods to hang your hangers and an ironing board if you want. Another tip, actually I changed my mind, ito pala yung favorite ko. Transforming your narrow room into a pantry, especially if your heart, just like me, belongs to food. This is a great place to store your food items and ingredients. I love this idea because my kitchen is always filled with items. Sometimes I have no idea where to put them anymore. It's a great idea to install cabinetry or shelving that's almost ceiling high so you can really maximize the space. There you have it. Ano guys, what do you think? You can comment your suggestions, ideas, inputs below at our comment or suggestion box. We'd love to hear more of your ideas, guys. You can also follow us out here in our Mandaue Foam YouTube channel. Subscribe, like our channel, and of course on our social media outlets, that's Facebook or Instagram. Till next video, see you homeowners. Comment of the week. Congratulations to last week's winner. This week's prize.